Welcome everybody. Today I've got a really bad idea. Um, Today has not been going well for me for making any videos. I was trying to do a quick tutorial video that I hadn't planned on making today. I had originally planned on doing what I'm about to do, and with how my luck has gone today, I'm pretty sure this is going to end up ending horribly. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and go on through with this. I'm not going to get into the details on my little tutorial video, but everything that could go wrong did. So, anyhow, today I wanted to do something a little bit crazy, a little bit fun. You know, it's something I've been wanting to do for a while. Yeah, it's just a stupid fun thing to do, I guess. I don't know any other way to describe it. But I've put together a lock. I was going to do a different key. I was going to use an SE4 key and do a 6-pin configuration. But instead, I've gone with the original key from the Primeline products, which has a terribly easy bitting. But the downfall of that key is gonna hopefully be made up for by my wafer driver pins. But that's not the catch. The real catch is the Ghost Pepper Challenge lock. You have to pick this A-bus with the standard A-bus security pins. It's 4 spools, 1 serrated. You then gut the lock and repin it with the wafer driver pins, and pick it all after eating a ghost pepper. So the sooner you get this lock picked, you get 20 minutes to pick this lock. But the sooner you get the lock picked, the sooner you get to get a glass of milk, eat some ice cream. Yeah, I know a lot of you probably don't see the draw in doing this. Like I said, it's strictly for fun. I'm going to do it, and then I'm going to send this off to somebody. I've already got that person picked out, and we discussed it earlier today. So I'm going to see what time it is, because all I can do is pretty much approximate the time. But yeah, it's 5:57 p.m. Pacific. I do have a fork somewhere here, so I don't have to stick my dirty brass-covered fingers into the jar. It's not going to end well. Broke the seal. I do have dried ghost peppers, so I don't know. I'm probably going to include a bag of dried ghost peppers. I don't know. I don't know how good of an idea that is to pass around or whatever, but yeah, I've got these pickled ghost peppers from, it's the Dave's whole ghost peppers. Yeah, this is, like I said, this is probably a really bad idea. So this looks like a good sized one here. I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm gonna start picking the lock. I guess before I start doing anything, though, I am going to get my picks out. Yeah, we're just gonna lay everything out there. With the way my day is going, yeah, I just one failure after another, and then some more. And now I'm going to do the Ghost Pepper Challenge lock. It's a terribly bad idea. Now, I admit this isn't my first time eating ghost peppers, but I haven't been eating them as much lately, so it's not like my mouth is used to them. So here I can show the key works. It is now 5:59. I wasted a couple minutes, and yeah. I'm going to use my SS Dev set. Oh boy. I probably should have just done this tomorrow, because today my luck is just really, really bad. And so I know it's going to be one of those days where I just can't pick stupid luck. Alright. Still 6. So here we go. It begins. Here's to hell. Alright, yeah. It's definitely ghost pepper. Got my false set. Oh. Come on. I guess this is one of those moments where you get to simulate picking under stress. Oh man, this sucks. I totally forgot to check which security pins I have in here. Oh, how am I doing on time? Awful. Come on. Oh yeah. Yeah, heat's still building. Everything else has gone wrong for me today, so why not this too? Come on. This is an easy key too. It's been a while since I picked this key bitting. Oh, you little bastard. Oh, man. I also woke up this morning, my hand's hurting. Well, my right hand hurting really bad. I got a couple of Yale locks in the mail yesterday. Got the one open up pretty quick. Oh. Son of a... Oh man, this sucks. Man, I am sucking today. Oh, come on. My hands are like so sweaty. The pick keeps spinning around. Oh, like I said, this is a bad idea. I'm looking for my Peterson picks because they don't spin around nearly as bad. Damn it. There they are. Try that one. Come on. If I find out there's any like wafer drivers already in here, stay in that way. Oh. So my whole idea, I explained in the beginning, I should have thought this through a little bit better. There's no way I'm gutting this and repinning it in time. I guess since I'm the first one to start this challenge, we can decide how it'll play out. Man. Yeah, I'm pretty much bitch picking at this moment. 6:15. Been picking this thing for 15 minutes. This is stupid. 16 minutes. I at least should have waited till a day where my hand was not hurting so bad. Oh. Oh. I normally pick this key right open. Oh, there we go. I got my false set back. I had this core in a bag. It was... driver pins are already in it. I'm positive it's just the stock pinout. Oh. Oh. 6:18. This is not going as planned. Well, I guess if there's anything for me to lose on the challenge, it's the Abus lock. You little bastard. I probably have like 30 seconds. I'm guessing it'll be up to the next person how this will be pinned. That person is Ith Bombgard. Oh man, you won't have any problem with this key. Yeah, it's been 20 minutes. Crap. Alright. Wow, I suck bad. Today, failing at every turn. Oh, son of a... I'll bring this over here. You guys don't need to see my face anymore. Oh. Hey, I got an idea. I'm gonna do Ghost Pepper Challenge lock. I'm gonna set the bar way too high on a day where I'm having issues with my right hand cramping up. I failed at every turn on the other video that I wanted to make. Yeah, nothing special. These are all standard key pins. Make sure that's all focused there. And yeah, these are just going to be the stock ABUS spool and one serrated pin. Yeah, there's a serrated spool. Oh man, this is like the easiest key in the world to pick. Anyhow, that's to show you guys how badly I failed there. Mr. Bombgard, you get to set the bar for this one. I'm going to pin this up with the wafer drivers. And, yeah. At this point, you've made out. Get that in focus. Yeah. So I'm going to put these in that lock. And since since I'm the one that's not setting the bar for succeeding in picking this lock. Oh god, I failed today so bad. Yeah, I'm definitely going to include these. But since I failed miserably, I'm including a sixth one. And I'm going to include two keys. I'm going to include this one. It was a Primeline rekey kit that I got from Amazon when I bought my original brass ABUS lock. Got that. Yeah, I've been able to pick that lock successfully for God knows how long. Or that key. And yesterday, I made this key. This one's nasty. I tried picking it last night. But after I was unable to pick the second nail that I got... yeah, that's it. Anyhow, I'm going to repin this thing. Mr. Bombgard, good luck to you. I'll include some dried ghost peppers for you. And, you know, but it's completely up to you whether you want to get fresh ones or whatever. I hope this video was somewhat enjoyable. I get to eat some ice cream here now. But yeah, you all have fun with this. Mr. Bombgard, you get to set the bar for this. And like I said, since I failed, I'm including some extras because, you know, I got to be penalized additionally for not picking the lock open. So, yeah, I'm going to include an extra wafer driver pin. I'm going to include the stock ABUS security pins. I'm going to include the pins for the 5-pin configuration, and I'm going to include the pins for this key's configuration. So, anyhow, I hope you guys somewhat enjoyed this, and I will see you guys next time. Oh, God.